Hi, welcome back to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy bow with no glue, and all you need is ribbon and zip ties. I also use a little bit of twine. This ribbon measures about 28 inches. And this one is a burlap ribbon, and I also use a smaller, well, it's not smaller, it's just a thinner regular ribbon. You can use any color to match with this burlap ribbon, and it will look nice. Last year I made it with red checkered ribbon, and I used that ribbon, well, I used the bow to put it on my Christmas tree. It looks really nice. So we're gonna fold it in 3 parts, 3 equal parts, like this. And then we're going to create the bow. Okay, after we do this, we're gonna tie it together. From the middle, we pinch, and then we use a zip tie. The zip tie is just easier for me because it's a very thick material. So with the zip tie, it's just easier to make it tighter all together. I'm using a small zip tie. Okay, and then we're gonna cut the rest of the zip tie. So now we're gonna make the second bow, which is the same method as this one. Fold it into 3 equal parts, and then create the bow. You can also do this for hair bows. You can make a smaller bow, and then you can just glue the band or whatever, the clip, the hair clip for the hair bow. Okay, so here I'm just going to tie this with twine. So I'm going to use twine and tie it all together. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And try to cover the black zip tie. Also, I want to say thank you to all who has been subscribing. Thank you to the new subscribers, and if you like watching my videos, please subscribe for more videos and like this video for more. I'll be making fall tutorials very soon. I'm thinking maybe sometime this month. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it and subscribe. You have a beautiful day.